Alrighty guys, what's going on today? So today I'm going to be talking to you about the Evriholder Avo Saver avocado holder. Yeah, this thing is super funny, although also works really well. So if you are anything like me, I usually only eat half of an avocado at a time. You know, whatever, like I'll make it for salads or for sandwiches or, you know, whatever, just to have on some chips. And, you know, I'll put the other avocado away, either in maybe like a plastic bag or in saran wrap, and find that I come back the next day and that other half of the avocado has gone brown. And, you know, it's just like one of those things where I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm wasting so many avocados. And, you know, avocados are one of my favorite things in the world, so I, you know, wanted a way that keep them fresh and store them for longer because I eat them so much, and I figured, hey, why not buy something very specific for avocados? So I kind of was looking up some things on how to save it, came across this, got it, and to use it all the time now. It's such a lifesaver, such an avocado saver, and yeah, it's really great. So if you eat avocados, you know that basically when inside parts are exposed to air, there's essentially like this oxidization process that happens. You know, it just breaks down the avocado. It'll turn brown. It'll basically rot them to the point where you don't want to eat them. Nobody likes a brown avocado. So, you know, basically by using something like this, you don't have to, you know, waste avocados as much. It keeps it much fresher for longer because of the way it's built than a plastic bag or a piece of saran wrap would. Essentially the way it works is you would unclip, and it's a little bit tough to do with one hand, which is probably a good thing because it's secure. Essentially you have this thing, and which is first of all shaped like an avocado, which is pretty hilarious to me, although it doesn't come with a back. The cool thing is though, is like you can, I guess, use these for the backside of an avocado, though I don't know why you would, and you'd have to have a pretty big avocado to do it. Typically though, when you break an avocado apart, you're supposed to eat the part without the pit, because it's going to help it stay better and longer. So essentially you placed the avocado half with the pit on top of here, and you essentially buckle that bad boy up with this little rubber strap. Strap is made pretty durable and stretchy rubber, so you're pretty much good to go as big as the avocado gets. You also have these like belt buckle like loops, and those are essentially going to strap onto this plastic edge right here. So not only is it, you know, keeping your avocado able to fit larger avocados, it's also able to keep small avocados nice and firm atop this surface. So essentially what it does, it keeps the avocado pressed firm against the surface so that the air is not touching it. Cool thing about it too is it's totally reusable. This reduces the amount of plastic that you're going to use over time to save your avocados, which is great. It just makes things, first of all, much more economical and much more environmentally friendly overall. This thing is also extremely lightweight, so it's something that you can, you know, store away pretty easy, carry around pretty easy, put in your fridge. It's small, it's not going to take up a lot of room, which is great. It is totally BPA free as well. So those of you who want something that's, you know, I guess safer, a little more sustainable, that's nice to know. And also, it's really easy to clean because of the design, which is nice. You know, you can kind of really easily just get into, this is the only like crevice part of the entire device, so it's pretty simple to get into that. I would say it's a really quirky little gift, although it's, you know, and even though it might come off as somewhat of a gimmick, it actually works really well, and you can kind of save whatever pieces of avocado you have left and prolong your avocado life. So I'd highly recommend checking it out if you eat avocados a lot, like I do. This is the Evriholder Avo Saver avocado holder. I think they come in 2 packs as well, so get you one and get one for your friend too. Alright, take it easy, you guys.